Hi, I'm Alan from Displays to Go, and I want to show you this brand new product we have. It's an 86-inch digital whiteboard. It's a 16:10 ratio, and it works with a Windows PC and projector to give you a giant touchscreen surface. It's huge! This thing is super cool. It's even got a texture on it, so it feels like you're actually writing on paper. In addition, it comes with this handy wand that allows you to not only just point at what's on the screen, but also make marks. And because it's an optical touchscreen, you don't even have to use this. You can also use your fingers. It even supports up to 10-point multi-touch. It's my daughter's favorite color, rainbow. The whiteboard includes this digital pen, which adds a series of Windows hotkeys as well as a laser pointer, so you can use it to highlight things on the board. In addition, the pen adds pressure sensitivity to the whiteboard, so you can actually really highlight the way you write. The digital whiteboard comes in two types, wired and wireless. So anyone that wants to connect up to this digital whiteboard, all they have to do is hand over the transceiver. There's no wires to mess with. Thanks for stopping by. Check out displays2go.com for more information and to check out all of our other exciting products.